Welcome back to Relationship Remix, the channel where we talk about all things love and relationships. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important factors in any healthy relationships, that is trust. Trust is the foundation of any successful relationship. But sometimes, trust can be broken, whether it is infidelity, lies, or betrayal. Rebuilding trust can be a very difficult and painful process, but it is possible. Today, we're going to be giving you 5 steps to rebuild trust in your relationship. Step 1. Acknowledging the damage that has been done. The first step in rebuilding trust is acknowledging the damage that has been done. Step 2. Apologize sincerely. The second step is to apologize sincerely. It is important to take responsibility for your action and express remorse. Step 3. Be transparent. The third step is to be transparent. Be open and honest with your partner about whatever has happened and why it happened. Step 4. Show consistency. The fourth step is to show consistency. Keep your promises and be reliable. Step 5. Be patient. The fifth and final step is to be patient. Rebuilding trust can take time and it won't happen overnight. But remember, trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship. It may be difficult, but with baby steps, you can rebuild trust and create a stronger and healthier relationship. Thanks for tuning in to Relationship Remix. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time.